Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. This is where we stopped last time. Then let's look at our codes. These are codes where we stopped previous video. Now what we'll be looking at today is the HTML attributes. The HTML attributes provides an additional information about HTML elements. The HTML elements include the heading, the paragraph, the image. These are elements. Then the attributes are always specified in the start tag. We know we have in the previous video we have the start and the end tags. The start and the end tag. This is the start tag, and then this is the end tag. All right. Then we said the attribute usually comes in name or value pair, like name is equals to value. So today we're looking at the A tag, which defines the hyperlink. Then the href, the reference. The h reference, we can call this the reference attribute, specify the URL of the page the link goes to. The page the links goes to. Let's demonstrate this. I copy this, Ctrl C, then go to my code here, A, enter, then Ctrl V, I paste it, then in between this tag I write learn more, Ctrl C, Ctrl S, I save it, then refresh. As you can see there. So whenever you click on this link now, it will take you to that link that you added. Click on it, make sure you have your data, and you see it takes me to that link. So this is exactly link where we were before. Look at it here. This is where we copied it, then we added it to our code, and then it took us to this place. Let's go back. So now we have the source attribute, that is the src. We have the src attribute. Now in the src attribute, it is being added to the image tag. So the image tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. Then the src, which is the source attribute, specify the path to the image to be displayed. Let's demonstrate this. Go to your folder, the folder where you have the index.html. Then I will delete this to demonstrate it again. So you now add a folder, and this folder you name it as img, which is the image folder. Then look for your image where you have your image in your desktop or in your PC. I have my own here. All right, then I'll copy this, Ctrl C, then I'll go back to my website. Now inside the image img, I'll paste Ctrl V, I'll paste it here. Then I'll rename this, I'll leave it that way, depends on the way you want it. I have to rename it want it to be short AIPM. Now go back to my site, to my VS Code. You can see the image img folder is here. Now inside the img folder, you can see the pm.jpg. jpg represent an extension to an image. So now we'll add the image. When you type im, the image tag will appear. Enter. Now we have to address or look for, link it to our image. We want that image to appear on our website. So what do? We reference the image tag, the image folder. So one img. So this is the way we reference a folder. Okay, img slash, because the image folder, inside the image folder we now have the image itself. So first of all, reference the image folder, and then we'll now bring in the image itself, and my image there is pm.jpg. Now let's save it and then refresh this page. You can see that image has appeared here. Okay, you can see the image. Now let's look at finally the style attribute. The style attribute is used to add style to an element, such as color, font size, and more. You can see this is a red color, this is a blue color, and by default it is black. Okay, and then the HTML style attribute has the following syntax. So all these here are the syntax, the way it's being referenced or the way it's being typed or used. If you use the correct syntax, it will give you the correct answer, but if you use the wrong syntax, you get an error. And this property is a CSS property, which we'll be talking about later. So now we have this background color. We want to add the background color, and how do you do it? You use the style attribute to add to the body. For example, let's copy this, the style, copy this, Ctrl C, go back to our code. Then inside the body, remember it is the start tag. It is being added at the start tag, not at the end tag. So here, paste it, then save it. Let's refresh this. You can see it added a color, a background color to this website. You can do more of this. From here you can see the H1, which is the heading, and the P. We have demonstrated that before. So you can learn more. Now let's add a text color. This one is a text color style. Just copy this, Ctrl C, then come here, at the start tag, this hello, Ctrl V, which is blue. Save it and then refresh. Then you see it here, it has changed this hello to blue. So when we come to CSS, we'll do more of this. You can have this as blue, and you can have this as blue. Instead of adding it 1 instead of adding this one blue, all of them 1 blue, there is a way to do it using CSS. So when we come to that, you will learn more about it. So you can even change the color from here. You can change the color if you don't want it. Just here, remove this blue, okay, then add your own color. Let me say let's use brown, or let me use blue violet. Then refresh it. You see it changes the color. You can equally play around it, change the color of the background to your own color. This is powder blue. You can change your own color to use brown. Save it and then refresh. Do you see it? So thank you for watching this video. God bless you.